I thought today was going to be basically just sharing food, kind of breakfast, lunch, and supper. But Warren had to go and get bumblebees. So every year we rent honeybees for pollination and we buy bumblebees for pollination. Well, the bumblebees have been delivered. They get delivered to another cranberry marsh. Oh, it's probably half an hour or so away from us. Warren had to go and get the bumblebees, but Peter has been working on the chicken coop, and Warren put the tractor over there, and we're going to clean out the inside. So I wasn't really thinking that I was going to be doing that today, but now I am. Now I feel like I have to kind of rush a little bit. Peter just got eggs going for me in the Instant Pot because we're going to do potato salad along with our chicken noodle casserole for supper. So I have red potatoes here. I'm going to boil up 8 red potatoes, a dozen eggs. We love a lot of egg in our potato salad. That's how my mom always made it. Always extra eggs, lots of celery, radishes. Let's get that on to boil. Actually, I don't think I'll set it super high. I'll let it come to kind of a slow boil with the lid on so that we can get outside and deal with the chicken stuff. Then we'll come back in. All right, like I said, just a change up in the day. I still want to, I'm trying to decide if I'm going to go to the grocery store, do a Walmart delivery. I don't know. I just don't know. It's like I want to get into the grocery store because I really enjoyed it about a week ago or so. I went into the grocery store and I was like, oh, it's so nice to actually go in and look around and that. But I also really love and depend on the time savings of the delivery, of Walmart delivery. So we'll see. We'll see what happens here. It definitely broke. 5 minutes into the ice bath.
So we got the tether ball. We're gonna put it up. We used to have a light up tether ball, but it got all cracked and broken from the sun and hitting it. We got this new leather tether ball and we're gonna put it up. Get it one way or another. There we go.
You're gonna spread it around.
I hope you guys like cherry.
Really? Really? 3 of you? 3 of you have to be in one box? One thing I really like about using the Walmart delivery, or really just ordering online with groceries, is it's so easy to look at price per ounce and get the best deal. So I really would like to make some Reese's Pieces chocolate cookies. I haven't made them in so long, and I was going to make them a while back, and then I don't know, they were out of Reese's Pieces or something like that, and there was no substitution. My inclination would be to just buy like a larger bag, but then the small boxes were only 34 cents an ounce. whereas the larger bag was like 72 cents an ounce. So I just got multiple small boxes, much better deal, and it just makes it super easy to check for price per ounce. I guess that's it. I have a Walmart delivery coming within a few hours here. Lunch is identical to supper last night. Ham sandwiches. You know how it is when you buy a deli ham. You have to use it up within just a couple of days. So, ham sandwiches for lunch again. Well, we're changing it up. I added a little lettuce. All right, so these are for Joe and Peter. These are for Warren and I. That uses up the ham. Just what you can't eat both of those. One is for you and one is for Peter, okay? And let's see, we can have some pickles. Do you want a pickle on your plate, Joe? Mm-hmm. Yes? Mm-hmm. That was a super easy delivery. I had to switch up the directions a little bit to try to be even more clear, making sure that the people get here the way they need to. Anyway, we have an outing planned, Maria and a couple friends, and so I got some bubbler for that. I've been really thinking about wanting to do some meatloaf, and so I picked up some saltines, lots of cereal. We haven't had cereal in a while. Some mega Honey Nut Cheerios. I always get basically the same thing. Almond Crunchy Honey Oats, Special K, and shredded wheat, frosted shredded wheat. I already mentioned this, but with, it's so weird to have you sitting there. You're just watching me like it's a TV show.
I'm getting the pregame.
Oh, that's funny. I already mentioned this in the, while I was videoing before, but it's so nice to be able to look at price per ounce. You know, these are in a little different section of the store than, say, the bags of chips. At least they used to be in a different section. Looking at price per ounce, I can get these little canisters, which are smaller, and so if we open one as a family and eat this whole thing, which is what would happen, we haven't eaten 9 or 10 or 11 ounces. We've only eaten 5, or what is that one, 3, or 3 ounces of snacks. And we still all feel like we had snacks. All right, and it's cheaper per ounce. I did get a bigger thing of Sun Chips. Actually, I thought I took that out of the cart once I found these being cheaper, but I guess I didn't take it out of my cart. A watermelon, they have been on rollback for $4.97. This is going to be our first one, but Sam said watermelons have been really good lately, so I picked up one of those. The Better Goods organic dried strawberries. Basically, any savings from anywhere else got used up on this right here, because these are $6.97, I believe, for a package of these dried strawberries. But honestly, Warren really likes them, and so I get them every now and again. Radishes, which means we're going to be able to finally finish up our potato salad for supper tonight. Cucumbers, because when I take Maria and her friends, we're going to be packing a lunch that day, and so I got some turkey breast. I figure that's probably the simplest that everybody will like. We'll make some sandwiches, and sliced Colby Jack. We'll do just a big bowl of sliced vegetables. So I got some cucumbers to go into that. Just needed onions. We have apples. Joe eats a lot of apples, and so I needed some of those. Green onions for the potato salad. This was the only substitution today. I had opted for the washed, trimmed lettuce, which is a little more expensive, but it's amazing how long it lasts. Anyway, this was the substitution, and it'll be just fine. Celery. What else do we have here? Cuties. This is always a request of Warren and Peter. And then a whole bunch of berries. So I did the blackberries, raspberries, blueberries, 4 pounds of strawberries because, well, again, when I take Maria and her friends, we'll do a big berry bowl as part of our lunch. And we also want berries for the next couple days at home. And then a bunch of bananas. So we do have a day later this week. Like I said, we're going to be packing up a bunch of lunches. So I'm going to tuck these away so they're not seen and they don't all get eaten up. All right, we needed some sugar just for basic baking, and then Peter had requested some Nutella, and I had asked, I said, is like the Great Value or the one from Aldi's just as fine? He's like, yep, just fine. Popcorn, microwave popcorn, the AMC, we have found that this really is a delicious, delicious popcorn. Peter had requested plain Greek yogurt for when he likes to make smoothies, and then both him and Maria really love the strawberries and cream yogurt. Oh, and I also picked up milk. So that's everything for today's grocery haul. I need to get back to video editing and making the potato salad. So what I have in here is the green onions, the radishes, the celery, the potatoes, and then the eggs on top. That's everything. I'm going to salt and pepper it. Now a little bit of ground mustard goes a long way, so don't do too much, otherwise it'll kind of have this weird earthy flavor. Growing up, my mom was always the potato salad lady, and people would always comment, oh, it's so good, it's so good, what do you do? This is it. There is no fancy mixture of mayo and milk and vinegar and all of those things. This is it, Miracle Whip. Sometimes I will add just a smidge of milk if I feel like it needs just a little bit more liquidiness to it. You know, like some potatoes just really soak up the moisture and some don't. So it's just kind of by feel. But we're going to stir this in. This is always best the day you make it, but then at midnight. I have memories of my mom and her sisters like staying up until midnight. They would be visiting because, you know, they would come in from out of town and stuff, and they would be visiting and talking and talking and talking, and at midnight it seemed like that's when the potato salad got brought back out. And if you have potato salad in your refrigerator and you come home from something and it's late, get the potato salad out. You won't be sorry. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. I'll tell you, my mom would have never mixed it in the bowl she was serving it in. She always had a dish pan, you know, like the kind that you would put into your sink, filled with water for rinsing dishes. She had one of those that was specifically for potato salad making. She would mix her potato salad in there and then transfer it to the serving bowl so it didn't get all like smeary around the edges like this. I just go around and clean it up. Typically, I don't even clean it up because nobody really cares. But if I'm serving it for a party or taking it someplace, I will clean up the edges. And then if you really want to get fancy, you can save back some eggs or just make sure you have extra boiled eggs and slice them into circles, you know, and set your boiled eggs over top of it. Sprinkle with a bit of paprika. Actually, I'm going to sprinkle with a bit of paprika right now. Just a bit, not a lot. And that makes it look so pretty. This is literally one of summer's simple pleasures. Peter's gonna try potato salad, he thinks, for the first time. And this here's the chicken noodle casserole. I had it in the oven at 350 degrees for about an hour. Oh, in the last 15 minutes I took the foil off so that the cheese could, you know, get kind of brown up. Looks nice, Joe. Well, it's hard to believe that I'm still in my workout clothes 14 hours later. I thought that I just didn't know this is how the day was going to go, but I guess that's what you got. Me in the same dirty clothes all day long. Hey, chickens. They're all over the yard. Still working at getting the coop, or their run, all done. And I have a bunch of scraps. Where do you guys want your scraps tonight? Back here? They're going to follow me around now until I dump them. Did they knock all of this down? They're pretty... Oh, from the tractor. They're gonna love these watermelon rinds. They always love that. Well, none of the young ones are coming over here. They're still a little bit skittish. All right, well, it's looking great. Is there anything that you need help with?
Not right now. Yeah, it's looking pretty good.
Mm-hmm. It is looking good.
Chickens already got stuck in here and acted like they couldn't find their way out, even though there's a 3-foot door.
Right there for them, huh?
Yep.